Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make these easy Halloween treats. Start by pushing lollipop sticks through a marshmallow. Melt green candy melts in a microwave-safe bowl. I transferred my melted candy into a tall glass for easier dipping. I cut a piece of cardboard to fit inside of a decorative box to display my marshmallow pops. I poked holes in the cardboard to hold each stick. Dip your marshmallow into the candy melt until completely covered. Tap off the excess melted candy, then transfer to the stand to dry. After the dipped marshmallow has hardened, dip the top of the marshmallow again, then press onto a plate of chocolate sprinkles. With a toothpick, apply a small amount of candy melt to each of the candy eyes, then press onto the marshmallow. Repeat with the silver round sprinkles to act as neck bolts. With an edible marker, draw stitches in a mouth on your Frankenstein's face. Cover your cardboard with some autumn mixed candy corn to finish off your display. These Frankenstein Marshmallow Pops are kid approved. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming DIYs.